Oofta. Good handholds, yeah, to catch our fall. Good cement to catch our fall. Dude, this bridge is so freaking scary. It's sketchy during the daytime.
Well, we made it. And there's the pretty stream.
Dude, seriously though.
So serene.
Dude, what if, like, as we were doing this, we just heard something slam across the bridge?
I would be terrified.
Just like...
I wouldn't know whether to hide or run.
I would turn all the lights off. It would be as quiet as possible. As we wait for the inevitable... Well, should we go across?
Sure.
It's not really that scary. It's just... It feels scarier. Is that a dead body? I'm just kidding.
If it was, this would be not the place to hide it.
Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Dude, that's a little loose, so be cautious.
Yeah.
Sorry. Beautiful. Did it rain recently here?
Yeah.
What the heck? What is rain? Oof. Oh, what is that? Is that a slug? Dude, that thing was so fast. That was crazy.
Slug?
Yeah. Just zipped on by. Or a skinwalker.
A baby?
Baby skinwalker. Whew. Yeah. That's so cool. Is this the way? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Sorry, I need to trust you. Trust me, you idiot.